Hi my loves, Tylah here, and we're back in with another nail video. To my left you'll see the nail inspo. I know I'm not going to be able to create just that, but I'm going to try to get close enough to it. So today we're going to be using some C-curve tips. These are some tips that I picked up from Amazon. I'll include these tips in my nails essentials list. And yeah, so I'm just showing you guys the shape of the nail so you can see how it differs from a normal tip, coffin type tip. Yeah, it's just the ends come down further. So now I'm starting the prep for my acrylic application. I'm making sure that there is no dust on my nails. And I'm going to go in with my dehydrator and primer, both from Mia Secrets. I want to thank you all my loves for watching my channel and appreciating my content. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I promise you, you're going to love it here. I like to upload a lot of beginner nail tutorials, some wellness tips, skincare and beauty type stuff. And I also have a little knack for cooking and baking, so I like to upload videos on that. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys listen to these calming tunes as I start my acrylic application. I'm going to be doing some plain nails with also two nails of half acrylic at a slanted angle, and the other half is going to be glitter with clear acrylic. I'm just making sure there is no dust on my nails before I start my design and polish. So now I'm going in with my layer of base coat. I will be doing base coat, then the butterfly design, and then top coat. Of course, curing after the base coat and the top coat for 60 seconds. So I did the butterfly design completely wrong at first. So I ended up putting my jewels on first, then accepting the fact that I had applied my butterflies backwards, went on Amazon, looked up the instructions again, and drilled off the butterflies I had already put on, and then applied new butterflies. So these are my final results. I'm just rubbing in my cuticle oil and all fingers, and yeah, I'm pretty pleased. Had a few bumps in the road, but I do like what I got. Of course, it's not a complete mimic of the nail inspo, but they're cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Toodaloo.